Hey everyone, welcome to Learn Well Library YouTube channel. Today I've got an exciting tool to share with you that's going to change the way you search and get answers. Meet Perplexity AI. It's like having a search engine and an AI assistant rolled into one. And guess what? We'll be using the free version so you can jump right in without spending a dime. Before we dive in, make sure to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment if you're eager to learn more about AI. So what makes Perplexity AI different? It's not just your regular search engine. This tool delivers precise answers by pulling information from multiple sources, giving you reliable, well-rounded insights in one place. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, Perplexity AI helps you get the info you need fast. To start, head to perplexity.ai. Once you've signed up, you'll see a simple interface with a search bar. It's easy to use. Just type in your question, and Perplexity AI will give you detailed answers along with trusted sources. Here's why Perplexity AI is a game changer. You get your response with a list of sources so you can trust the info you're getting. It even suggests related questions, helping you dive deeper into topics effortlessly. Doing research, save your answers and organize collections for quick access later. I want to take it further. The Pro version gives you advanced tools like unlimited Pro searches, the ability to upload files, and access to powerful AI models like GPT-4 and Claude. You can even generate images using AI tools like DALL-E. One of the coolest features of Perplexity AI is its follow-up option. Once you get your initial answer, Perplexity offers related questions right at the bottom of the page. This feature helps you explore a topic more thoroughly without needing to type out new queries. For example, let's say you ask, "What is artificial intelligence?" After providing the answer, Perplexity might suggest related questions like, "How does AI work?" or "What are the types of AI?" You can click on any of these and dive deeper instantly. It's like having a conversation with your AI, leading you through a complete learning journey step by step. And there you have it. Perplexity AI is perfect for quick answers, research, and everything in between. The free version already packs a punch, but the Pro version unlocks even more capabilities for those who need deeper insights. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you plan to explore with Perplexity AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.